Good morning, everybody. So I didn't just wake up, I just got out of bed. There's a difference. And literally all morning I've been editing video and looking up new camera equipment, I guess, or like just looking at other GoPros. I want to buy another one. It's not like I can just pull $300 out of my ass, but I mean, it's, you know, it's always fun to look at shit. You know, just looking, see if I can get a light, so whenever, you know, I'm in the dark or anything like that, I can have like a little flashlight that I can turn on and it'll be attached to the camera. But there was nothing, so I ended up just finding just a case for the GoPro and just whatever equipment I have, and it's a customizable case. It was like $30, and then I ended up finding, ooh, what's going on here? I ended up finding sorry, it's just a lot of construction I did not expect around here. And so oh yeah, and then other than the case, I ended up finding I guess a housing piece for the GoPro, because the one that I currently have is a plastic one. The one I found online, it's metal and it has pretty good reviews. It's only $20. I mean, whatever, I'll just go ahead and go for that instead of this little plastic one. And it also gives protection for the actual camera, the lens, I guess. It protects that, so that's a huge plus for me, just because you never know what's gonna happen with the camera. If I'm, you know, what if I drop it and it messes this up? I mean, you can still replace this little thing that it has on the top, but it costs $20, and I mean, $20 if it gets a scratch every single time, you know. Rather just buy this thing and I can just replace the little thingy that it has on there or whatever. It's probably cheaper, so I'll do that. And then trying to see what I'm gonna do this whole week, because now I'm working 6 to 10 p.m. Like, who 6 to 10 p.m. what the fuck? I'm gonna be so lazy now that I'm not going to school, especially now that I'm not going to school. I'm gonna be super lazy. I'm gonna have to find stuff to do. My plan for this week was go to the gym while Bay's at work, go to the gym, edit videos, you know, go walk the dogs every single day and see how it goes, you know, see how long it lasts. And so if I go for a whole week to the gym, Bay will allow me to buy some C4 at Costco. That right now, because usually they have blueberry or blue punch or some shit like that, but now they have fruit punch. That fruit punch or no, it's fruit punch. Now they have that, so I'm pretty hyped for that. And I've never had that flavor. I've only had the blueberry one, and like, you know, I'm ready to move on to another flavor. Even though I haven't been to the gym or used C4 in months. Used C4 in months. And so yeah, that's basically basic plan for this week. You know when that green light turns red, like out of nowhere, it doesn't even fucking just skips yellow. It's just like green red. Chill, bruh. But yeah, see you in just a bit. Got the best eyebrows? I do. Who's got the best eyebrows? I do. I got
After my video,
I don't even have eyebrows. I have a unibrow. It's just one.
That's disgusting.
Like a unicycle. I am unique.
Shut up.
So they call me Monique.
I'm gonna get rid of it.
What?
Your eyebrows.
Mm-mm.
There's only 2 of them. By the time I'm done with them.
Basics on my toes.
It's fucking nasty.
I
I pulled the eyebrow hair
suck
out.
on my toes.
Your stinky ass feet out of here. What are you trying to play at?
I'm big. This is on my big toe. So I just left. There you go. So I just left Bay, hanging out with Bay. We ate some salads together. And so now I'm on the wheel, and I'm gonna go. Oh man, I don't know. I don't even know how I want to do this. I just feel so lazy, like every single day now. Now that I'm gonna go to school, I'm just like, what is life? But what I'm probably gonna do is, I don't know. I think I'm gonna shower because I feel. But then I'm gonna have to shower again, or maybe just rinse. I don't know. I have too many showers in one day. Rinsing myself twice in a day. Rinse and then shower later. I feel so stinky. So I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rinse myself, wash my body real quick, and then after that, I'm gonna go prep up some chicken and go grill that bitch outside. And after I'm done grilling, some corn on the cob and some chicken with some lemon and whatever else, I'm gonna go ahead and bathe Leo and Nala. Hey fam, we out here cooking. Some grilled chicken. I did not go to the gym, but I am cooking some chicken. Boom, bruh. Hopefully we don't die of salmonella. I'm not the best chef in the world. So we're gonna play a little bit nicer, bruh. Leave me alone. Nana's a little wild, as you can see. She gets too crazy when she gets out here. That's why I kind of don't like playing fetch with her. She gets too wild. So I just got done cooking. I had to kind of rush it through, kind of, and they just said I don't have. I'm not the one with the green thumb of cooking, whatever you call it. I mean, I can if I'm like really into and wanting to cook. I don't know. It's just like it's a hit or miss with me. I don't know why. It's like it's either super bomb with like steak and chicken breast, or it's just like what? Who the fuck cooked this shit? Let me go flush this down the goddamn toilet type of shit. And it's just like I don't know what it is. Like I don't know if it's my mood, my haircut, my beard. Maybe I need a mustache, look more Mexican. Maybe my food will come out better. We're at Fake Depot. Fake Depot.
So there's no chicken at all?
No, there's no chicken. It's burnt. It's crushed.
What happened?
It's black.
I gave
you want to eat
one
charcoal?
job.
It was stressful. Then look at this. Fake Depot. Heavy levy.
I was gonna say, so we can get that half bread that you liked. It's kind of like the pita bread, but
bread.
it's flat. It's flat.
The hornies?
No, oh my god. We had it that one time. It's right. It's flat like a tortilla, but you put
Pita bread?
it like this. It's kind of like pita bread. But stick it in there, make chicken sandwiches. With lettuce, mayo, what's it called? Tomato.
Fake Depot.
But have like chicken sandwiches. Put some
Fake
buffalo sauce in there.
Burnt chicken sandwiches. But you know what?
A big storm. I'm so lost.
Sometimes I wish you had a mustache so I can call you Pancho in bed.
That's the problem.
Where's the shit that you measure shit with?
Measuring?
God damn, the store, it's so fucking annoying and ugly. It's so boring.
Why is it boring? I love this stuff. Don't think that being here.
There's tape.
Ooh, we can get the yarn esto and like tape up our cords. Or your mom's headphones. They're like, oh, it's mine.
I gave her cord now. This $4.99. Damn. I didn't know she was an employee, so I had to pick it up.
Hey, we don't like contact you.
I know.
But everything's 50%.
She said, "Pick this shit up, son."
Okay.
Not
so
oh, everything is 50% off.
most of everything.
She's home accents.
Well, that's... Okay, so it's not here.
And that is it for today. Thank you for watching. I know it's a brand new channel. You know, I'm brand new. Not a lot of people know me. But you know, I'm brand new. Not a lot of people know me or whatever. I'm not the biggest Instagram geek or Snapchat geek, but I'm gonna try now. I'm gonna try and be out there, try and expose myself like a flower. And but yeah, thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button right there and hit a thumbs up, please. I would really appreciate it. Just to, you know, it kind of keeps me going. It warms up my heart a little. It tickles my corazón. No, wait. It tickles mi corazón deep down. You know? And but yeah, I would really appreciate it. I'm gonna be posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and have a good day, you guys.